Hey crafters, it's Charee here, and I'm excited to show you not one, but two new releases by Graphic 45 that are gonna have your creativity in flight. First up, let's talk about our Flutter Keepsake Edition pack. In this pack, you're gonna get 152 gorgeous pieces. So you're gonna get these 12 by 12 papers. These are just stunning. So many beautiful images and colors, some great cut aparts. Gotta love those borders, and look how cute all those insects are. And then of course we've got the solids in here as well. So the solids are perfect for all your card bases, your layouts, photo mats. Anytime you want to pop up anything, that's what these are going to be great for. And we love this color palette. You're also going to get this sticker sheet. This is a new and improved 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So it's different than when we first released the collection. We've got some great sayings here like best day ever. We have these great butterflies here. So many fun pieces. And then of course, we've got the Keepsake Edition ephemera assortment. This is also a brand new item. So in here, look at all of these die cut pieces just flooding out. There's 64 assorted pieces. So you can see they range in sizes. So great for all different projects. I love you. These fun insects. What I love about these ephemera assortment pieces that you can just put them out with your crafting supplies and just let them inspire you and guide you to your next project. But they also really just add so much to your projects without very much work. You don't have to do any stamping. It's already done for you. Celebrate and ready to be popped onto a card. So that's just a taste of what you're gonna get in there. And then of course, it's all gonna come in this reusable plastic folder. These are new and improved since our Let It Be. These are gonna hold all of those items in there and keep everything in place. Okay, now let's talk about the Keepsake Kit with exclusive metal die set. So you're gonna get all of those 152 items that came in the Keepsake Edition, including that new and improved folder we just talked about. But you're also gonna be getting a project sheet that's gonna teach you how to create this stunning card, as well as this metal die set. So this is such a classic die set that you're going to be able to use this over and over again for cards in the future. You think any kind of Christmas card, birthday cards are going to look great with this rectangle lattice. Then you have this other rectangle piece in there. It's a nice stitched rectangle piece that's going to fit perfectly on your A2 cards. And then inside the oval, you can see we've got this dragonfly die, along with all these cute little forget-me-not pieces. So you can make a whole cluster of cute little forget-me-nots. How great is this dragonfly die on this card? So the project sheet will walk you through how to recreate this. Gotta love those wings are in flight. Way to go. And then open this up and we've got some more gorgeous decorations. And then using that same inspiration, here's another card. This has been created by Amy, my sister, and you can see she's done a beautiful job highlighting that gorgeous decorative paper in the background, really showing off some of those gorgeous florals, and then using some similar floral pop-ups with those ephemera assortment pieces. And these cards are a cinch to make with those step-by-step directions. You can pick up both of these keepsakes, the Keepsake Edition and the Keepsake Kit, on our website at g45papers.com. The Keepsake Edition is a fabulous deal. You're gonna get all of these items in here and it's available just like this. But the Keepsake Kit with the exclusive metal die, this is a quarterly subscription that you'll need to subscribe to. So if you want to pick this up, become a subscriber to the Keepsake edition to grab this. And then every quarter, you'll be getting another fabulous keepsake like this with an exclusive metal die. Of course, you can cancel at any time, so there's no risk in joining. If you loved these, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get a sneak peek of our new collections that will be available soon. So subscribe and we'll be sending out videos for these shortly as well. Thank you for joining us, and as always, happy paper crafting.